Hey, welcome to this course on web development with Django 3 and Python 3. I've been waiting for a while now to have the time to create such a course, and now it's here. And it's not going to be just this course, but an entire series of web development courses. I'm planning to launch at least 3 of them. However, I think I may go up to 6 courses, depending on your feedback and on your requests as well, of course. Now, coming back to this first course in the series, I know that many people are drawn to starting a web development career, but have trouble finding a proper starting point. Whether it's because they find scattered information all over the internet, and this makes them even more confused, or because they find various courses designed for beginners, but those courses do not meet their expectations. I've seen a lot of Django courses being more theoretical than practical, boring the student to death, and I've also seen courses claiming to be for beginners, but instead jumping right into advanced concepts right from the start, again confusing the student. And you may have been in the same situation as well. For this reason, I decided to create this course series from the ground up, starting with the very basics and slowly and steadily moving up the ladder step by step. That's why each course in this series will be a shorter course than what you're used to if you're already a student of some of my other courses, which span across 10 or 15 hours of content. I want each of these courses to be easy to digest, straight to the point, and 100% hands-on. In short, I want you to be able to practice everything we discuss and also to write code alongside me whilst building a certain type of application or functionality without any filler content or hours of chit-chatting and rambling. This is a programming course and not a Netflix sitcom. Now, here's the curriculum of this first course in the series. We are going to start by setting up our working environment. Remember that I said that we're going to build everything from scratch, so this means that we're going to go through installing Python, PyCharm, and Django together, configuring a virtual environment, and creating our first Django project. After having everything set up, we are going to dive into the actual Django project, and that is creating a basic blog with various pages, articles, and features. We are going to discuss and implement the core Django concepts such as views, templates, forms, models, working with databases, URL variables, and other useful features that Django provides. Next, you are also going to learn about Django admin, logging into the admin panel, and creating articles right from this environment. Finally, we are also going to briefly discuss Django testing, meaning we are going to write our own tests and run them in order to test our project. At the end of the course, I have added some bonus content as well, in order for you to acquire even more skills from this entire learning experience. Of course, as always, I will provide you with notebooks containing code samples and also full application code and some quizzes for you to test your understanding of certain topics. With all that being said, hit the enroll button and I will see you on the other side to get things started right away.